drones cannot solve the issue of having more people in the world. We cannot contribute here, but where we can contribute is making a bit less concentrated in regional matters. What do I mean? Because we can see the trend of people moving to cities, but this is mostly driven because of jobs are concentrated in cities, and not by something else. Yeah? And we see also counter trends. We see the counter trend that people cannot any longer afford to live in cities because it's getting more and more expensive. And at the same time, they don't want to move too far away from a city because they don't want to commute for 3 hours every day, back and forth. And here is where drone technologies or using the sky for mobility comes in. I think that this mean of transport can really help to take a bit out the stress for cities in growing and growing and growing, and it can help in decentralizing regions where people come together or where people live together. Because if getting from A to B and the time which it takes is not any longer an issue, because you make driving 2 hours 10 or 15 minutes flying, you know what I mean? Then I think will enable a lot of people to go out of the cities and live at the countryside because they prefer to be in nature, or they just have economical reasons because life out there is cheaper. So this is a very interesting development, what we see here. Generally, the trend of urbanization, and on the other hand, new technologies like drone technologies, which could slow down and ease up these difficulties which come with urbanization. But how it's going to look like, I also don't know. Yeah, we will see.